Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Anissa Yuliasari with student number 24021110002. And now I will make a video about review journal with the title Teaching Non-Traditional Student, EVL Teachers, Experiences, Challenges, and Future Recommendation. About the authors, the first authors are Reni Marzulina, Dian Erlina, Muhammad Hollandia, Herizal, Hikmah Zalifa Putri, and Nurul Wahyuni. About the purpose, the study was to identify the real challenges faced by English teachers when teaching young inmates in a children correctional institution in Palembang. The researchers want to understand the actually difficulties teachers experience in this unique and controlled learning environment. This research used a qualitative case study design. 2 English teachers were selected through purposive sampling because they officially taught in the institution. The data were collected through palm interview. After the interview, the responses were transcribed, codes, and organized into teams using thematic analysis. Then finally, the teams were checked again through member checking to ensure the result truly reflected the teacher's experiences. Location and participant. The study took place at the first-class correctional institution for children in Palembang. The participants were 2 English teachers who had direct teaching experience with young inmates and were officially assigned to teach English at the institution. The next, data collection. The data were collected through palm interview using 25 structured questions adapted from teaching frameworks. These questions explore the teacher's challenges in lesson planning and student behavior, materials, and classroom condition. All interview responses were fully transcribed, and short notes were added to ensure clarity and completeness. And then, data analysis. The study used thematic analysis following Kurzweil's 6-step process. The interview data were first transcribed, then coded to identify important points. The codes were organized into broader themes, which were then interpreted to answer the research focus. And lastly, member checking was conducted to compare the accuracy of the findings. The major finding, the study found 4 main challenges faced by the teachers. And the first challenges like time limits, negative attitudes, no textbook, poor classroom condition. Teaching time was too short for delivering the material effectively, and many students lack motivation and often behave destructively. Teachers had to create and simply all material themselves. Limited ventilation and an uncomfortable environment effective to the learning process. And then next, connection with the relevant studies. I chose article with the title Prison ECL, Building a Foundation Teaching English in Unconventional Setting. The author is T.L. Egbert, Journal English for Specific Purposes. The article found that limited time and movement restriction and institutional schedule frequently interrupted ESL instruction, making it difficult for learners to participate fully in the lesson. And the study also showed that many teaching challenges came from the classroom itself, such as student low motivation or disruptive behavior, limited learning material, and classroom conditions that were not supportive, which require a teacher to adjust how they taught. And the article further discussed administrative, socio-affective, and curriculum-related difficulties that affected how English instruction was carried out in the correctional setting.